Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths से लगे रहो. In today's class we are learning application of derivative remaining MCQ questions, dear students. Now let us see the question number 21. What they had asked: a cylindrical tank of radius 10 meter is being filled with wheat at the rate of 314 cubic meter per hour. Then the depth of the wheat is increasing at the rate of what? They are given four options, dear students. Now let us see what they are given first. Given we will write what they are given. You see here a cylindrical tank of radius is how much? Radius is given as 10 meter, dear students. So a cylindrical tank of radius 10 meter is being filled with what? Wheat at the rate of 314 cubic meter per hour. This 314 cubic meter is given, dear students. Cylindrical tank is there. In that we are filling what? We are filling this one wheat, dear students, like this. Wheat is filled. How much? How much you are filling? So that is 314 cubic meter per hour. Per hour we are putting how much? 300 cubic per meter hour, dear students. We are filling a wheat, dear students. That is nothing but volume. Per hour it is increasing. Yes or no? Increases means what? That is change, dear students. Change means what? Derivative. So derivative is given as how much? dV. Why V? V means what? Volume. Volume is there, dear students. Volume means what? Cubic meter means cube is used in only volume, dear students. Area is square units. Here it is what? Cubic means that is volume, dear students. Volume is given how much? dV by per hour. Hour means time. dV by dt 314 they are given, dear students. Understood? So now then the depth of the wheat increasing at the rate of. So what will be the height? Depth they are asking height. How much this height is increasing? They are asking, dear students. Per hour if you are putting a wheat inside the cylindrical tank, how much its height will increases? Got it? This is the question. Height is increasing means what? Again derivative, dear student. Change. Increase means what? Change. Change means derivative, dear student. dH by dt I have to find, dear students. So now see volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h, dear students. Pi r square h. And R value is given, dear students. R is given how much? 10 square into H. So that is 10 square means what? 100 pi H you will get, dear students. I hope everyone is clear. So now differentiate this one with respect to time. Differentiate with respect to time t. So then V and t are different variables. So then it will join with derivative dV by dt is equal to 100 into pi is constant. Constant you can write 100 into pi. And what is h, dear students? H and t are different variables. So then again it will join with what? Derivative dH by dt, which is required for us. So now what is dV by dt, dear students? dV by dt is given 314. 314 I will write 100 pi dH by dt, dear students. So I will erase this diagram for your understanding purpose. I had drawn. This is not required for us now. So now see here. What will happen? dH by dt is equal to 314 divided by 100 into pi, dear students. Understood? So 100 pi is taken down this side. It has came to the denominator, dear students. So what is the pi value, dear students? Pi value, everyone know that is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is nothing but 3.14. Clear? So now 100 into 3.14 is how much? 100 into 3.14 is 314, dear students. This both will get cancelled. We will remain with 1 meter per hour, dear students. So it is only depth. Depth means height. Height is how much they are asked. So height is calculated in just a unit, dear students. Per hour we have taken. So then our answer will go for option A is correct. A for awesome is our answer, dear students. Please copy this. We'll see the next question. I hope all of you are copied. Now let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 22. Which of the following functions is increasing in 0 to pi by 2? Very simple question, dear students. Now see. First option they are given. F of x is given function as what? Sin x, dear students. So sin x derivative is what? Cos x. Will you agree? Increasing means what? Function f dash of x should be greater than 0, dear students. This is increasing. Increasing I am saying, dear students. Increasing, strictly increasing. So now f dash of x is less than 0 means strictly decreasing, dear students. This is already I have discussed in my previous videos, dear students. Those who are not watched, once you go and see, there are many problems we have done on this. So f dash of x is greater than 0 means it is increasing. So they are asking increasing function in what? 0 to pi by 2. If you see 0 to pi by 2, in this all functions are increasing. You know that is positive, dear students. Positive means what? Increasing only we will consider. So 0 to pi by 2 means what? In this cos x is positive or not? If it is positive means the function will be increasing, dear students. So that's why our option is what? A is the correct answer. Cot x is having negative, dear students. Cot x derivative is minus cosec square x is our answer, but minus means what? It will become negative, less than 0, and cos x derivative is minus sin x. Cos 3x is also minus 3 sin 3x, dear students. All are giving negative. That's why these are the decreasing, we can say. Only sin x is the increasing function in 0 to pi by, dear students. I hope you have understood. We'll go for the next question. Please copy this one. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 23. The maximum value of 1 by x raised to x is what? In this option, which is the correct one, we have to see. So first you write the given equation. That is nothing but what? F of x is given as 1 by x raised to x, dear students. So now how I can work here? You see, f of x raised to, that is 1 by x, I can write it as what? X raised to minus 1, dear students. Everyone will agree for this. So now f of x is nothing but y only, dear students. Don't get confused. So both are same only. So now see here, y is equal to, or f of x is equal to what we will get? A raised to m raised to n is what? A raised to m raised to n. A raised to m raised to n is m into n, dear students. M is here minus 1, n is x, dear students. So that is x raised to minus x you will get. I hope it is clear, everyone. So now we have to differentiate this one. Before differentiating, x raised to minus x, we don't have any formula, dear students. That's why function raised to function is that. That's why we will apply what? Logarithm, dear students. Function raised to function is that means we have to apply logarithm. Apply log both sides. Apply log both sides, dear students. So don't get confused. F of x and y both are same only. Y derivative, apply log both sides now. Log y it will become. So now is equal to log x raised to minus x you will get, dear students. So log y is written as is, dear students. Now log a raised to b, we have a formula, dear students. Log a raised to b is b log a, dear students. This is the formula. Log a raised to b is what? B log a. A is what here? X, and b is what? Minus x. So then I can write it as what? Minus x into log x, dear students. B is nothing but minus x. B log a will get, you will say b is nothing but minus x log a. A means x, dear students. I hope it is clear. So now let us differentiate this one. Differentiating with respect to x, dear students. So log y derivative is 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, then minus x and this is there. So minus, if you want you can take it out. So how you can work, you see here. So this is u, this is v. U into v it is looking like, dear students, u into v, product rule. So x is here u, log x is what, v, x is written as is. U into v, how we will do? U into v formula, if you don't know, you see. U is written as is, derivative of v you have to take. V is written as is, derivative of u you have to take, dear students. So this is the formula. So u is written as is x and log x derivative is what? V I have to take derivative. Log x derivative is 1 by x, dear students. X into 1 by x plus log x. V is written as is, v is what? Log x is written as is. Now derivative of what? Derivative of u you have to take. U is what? X. X derivative is what? 1, dear students. So now see here, x get cancelled here. So y you can send that side. dy by dx is equal to minus, okay, minus I will take here only. Minus y it will become. So what is remaining? 1 is remaining here. Many of the students will forget to write this one, dear students. 1 is remaining here. Log x into 1 is log x. So this is what we have got, dear students. So next what we will do for finding x value, dy by dx is equal to 0 we will make. So below I will erase, dear students. I hope you have understood this. Those who are copied, those who want, they are copied, I think so. So we will go for next step, dy by dx is equal to 0 we will make. So next minus y, dy by dx is what? Minus y, 1 plus log x, dear students. So minus y if you take down, 0 by minus y is 0, dear students. You are remaining with 1 plus log x is equal to 0. Plus 1 you take that side, it will become minus 1. Nothing is there means here e will be there, base. That is not natural logarithm. E will be there, dear students, base. So e if you take that side, log if you take that side, it will become x is equal to e raised to minus 1. So that's why our x value will become what? 1 by e, dear students. E raised to minus 1 we can write it as 1 by e, dear students. So x value I got 1 by e. Therefore, I will write here, I will continue this. So here I will continue. You have to understand, here I am continuing. So now see here, I have to find the maximum value. Point is only 1 is there. 1 by e is only 1 point. No need of taking double derivative test, dear students. Because it is of course less than 0 you will get. Because here only 1 point is there. Another point is there means you would have thinked. That is what x is equal to 1 by e is a minimum or maximum point. But here only 1 point is there and they had asked maximum value also. That means this point is nothing but point of maximum, dear students. So point of maximum, this value I have to put in f of x. So that is f of x or y. So what you will get, you see here, f of x is equal to what? 1 by x raised to x is given. So x value is how much, dear students? X value how much it is? 1 by e, I have to put here 1 divided by 1 by e whole raised to 1 by e. X means what? 1 by e I am putting in f of x, dear students. So 1 by e if you take above reciprocal, it will become, you will get e raised to 1 by e, dear students. This is our maximum value, dear students. I hope you have understood this one, and this is matching with our option C, dear students. So C for cake is our answer, dear students. Please copy this. If you are understanding, please like my channel, don't forget. Fine. So each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you will like my channel and you will support me. Fine. So please copy this. We'll see the next question, dear students. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 24. If x is a real, the minimum value of x square minus 8x plus 17 is. So I have to say which is the minimum value in these 4 options. So first you write given equation. So we'll give the name for that. F of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus 17. Will you agree? So this is what f of x. So then we have to find a derivative of this. F dash of x. X square derivative is 2x. Minus 8x derivative is minus 8. Constant into function means constant should be written as it is. minus 8 is written as is. Derivative of x is what? 1. Minus 8 into 1 is 8 only, dear students. So that is minus 8. So 17 derivative is 0. So derivative of 17 is 0. So next step we will do f dash of x is equal to 0 we will make. So f dash of x is how much? That is 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. 2x minus 8 you take this side plus 8. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, dear students. X value we have got 4. Whether this 4 is what maximum and minimum we have to think of. So but here again same thing is happening. Double derivative if you take, you will f dash of x is what? 2x minus 8. Double derivative if you take, again if you differentiate this, it will give 2, dear students. 2x derivative is what? 2. 8 derivative will become 0. So that means f double dash is 2, dear students. 2 means what? It is greater than 0 and this point will become what? Minimum point. Point of minimum, dear students. So understood what I am saying? No need of taking double derivative because only one point is there means, and they asked the question as what? Minimum value only, dear students. Minimum means the point will be what? Point is what? Minimum point only, dear students. So 2 points means then only will differentiate 2 times. So now this point you have to put in f of x. So therefore I will write here only f of x is what? X value is how much? 4. X square. X square means what? 4 square. 4 square minus 8 into x value is 4 plus 7, dear students. How much you will get? You see. 4 square 16 minus 8 into 4 is minus 32 plus 7. So how much you will get? You see here. 16 plus 7 is how much? 16 plus 7 is, that is 23 minus 32. So our answer will go as like this. F of x is equal to 23 minus 32 is how much? That will become minus 9, dear students. So minus 9 is our answer. I think options are given as wrong, dear students. So x is equal to 4. 4 square is 16. 8 4s are 32. It is correct. Our answer, oh sorry dear students, it is 17. Options are correct only. So here we have done the small minor mistake. Not minor only, it's a major only, because even you will also do the same mistake like me also. This is the best example for you. If I write one number wrong, what will happen? You observe. So it is 17 here. 17 should be there, dear students. So 16 plus 17, that is 33, dear students. 33 minus 32 is how much? That will become 1, dear students. So 1 is our answer minimum. That is C is the answer, dear students. C for Congo. Congo is the answer, dear students. Please copy this. We will see the next question, dear students. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 25. The maximum value of sin x into cos x is what they are asking. See, easily you can prove this one, dear students. Sin x into cos x maximum value is what? So now observe here. Let us give the name for this. F of x is equal to sin x into cos x. Don't differentiate now. Wait. Maximum value little bit differently I will solve, dear students. So now see here. What I will do, I will multiply and divide by 2 I will do, dear students. I am multiplying and dividing by 2. What will happen? You see here. So 2 sin x in 2 into sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x is what? Sin 2x. We have a formula, dear students. So divided by 2. Understood everyone? So 2 sin x into cos x is what? Sin 2x divided by 2, dear students. But we know that sin x value, sin x range is what? Minus 1 to 1. Yes sir. Now sin x is bele estide minus 1 to 1 cross agodilla. This is our range of sin x, dear students. So now see here, what will happen? Sin 2x is also lies between what? Minus 1 to 1. Sin 2x ಬೆಲೆನೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 to minus 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Sin 2x value is also, dear students, minus 1 to 1 only. Sin 3x, sin 5x, whatever you take, sine function always lies between that range is -1 to 1, dear students. The range ಇರೋದೇ -1 to 1. So maximum in this here -1 it should be minimum. Minimum is -1, maximum is what? 1. So if sine 2x is -1, -1 by 2, that is the minimum value. I want what? Maximum, dear students. Sine 2x maximum value is what? That is 1. So if I multiply here 1 for this, sine 2x if I take 1, no, so that will become the maximum value for my answer, dear student. Since sine 2x maximum value is what? 1. 1 if I keep, that is what? 1 by 2 I will get. Our answer is matching with B, dear students. B for bingo. Bingo is our answer, dear students. Please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 26. The function f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 4 as. So 4 options they are given. 2 points of local maximum, 2 points of local minimum, one maximum and one minimum. No maximum or minimum, dear students. In this 4 option, which is the correct one, we have to see. So which point will give maximum and which point will give minimum, or both the points are giving maximum, both the points can be give minimum, otherwise no maximum, no minimum also, dear students. So this is how to see one maximum and one minimum also is given option. Let us see how many points will give. So of course they are saying 2 points only it will may come. So no maximum, no minimum also may come also, we don't know. Let us see the problem. First you write the given function. F of x is what? 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 4. Derivative of this, dear students. 2 is written as is x cube, derivative is 3x square, minus 3 is written as is x square, derivative is 2x. Constant is written as is. We are taking function derivative. Constant again minus 12 is written as is. Derivative of x is 1. So 4 derivative is 0, dear students. Constant derivative is 0. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6x square. 3 2s are 6x. 12 into 1 is 12. What is common, dear students, here? Common we can observe here. 6 is common. X square minus x minus 2. 6 into x is 6x square. 6 into minus x is minus 6x. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, dear students. 6 is common. So now how to split? Everyone know this one. F dash of x is see here. 6 is written as is. So now I will use this brackets here. So minus 2 I have to get. So that's why minus 2 minus plus 1 we can use. Minus into plus is minus 2 1 ja 2. We have written minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus x, dear students. So minus 1 you will get now. Minus 2 minus plus 1 is what? Minus 1 minus x it is. Minus 1 means. So when we are adding we are getting minus 1. When we are multiplying we are getting as what? Minus 2. So then just you have to write here x, dear students. This is a shortcut we can apply when it is having coefficient is 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು coefficient 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Got it? So now see here f dash of x, next step is what? F dash of x is equal to 0. 6 into x minus 2 x plus 1 is equal to 0, dear students. 6 you take that side 0. So x minus 2 x plus 1 equal to 0. 6 it will go down. 0 by 6 is 0 only, dear students. Everyone know this. X minus 2 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to what? 2 you will get. So minus 2 will become plus 2. So minus plus 1 will become minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. 2 points we got. So now these 2 points are giving maximum or minimum. We have to check, dear student. Let us see what will happen. First you take the double derivative. I will take differentiate. I will differentiate f dash here. This one I will differentiate, dear students. So f double dash is what? F double dash. See here 6 is as is. Derivative of x square is what? That is 2x. Minus 6 is written as is. Derivative of x is 1. I will not write. Minus 12 is 0, dear students. So how much you will get here? 6 is common. So what will be left with? 2x minus 1. 6 is common. Correct? Now let us see. We will put x equal to 2 in this. So if it is giving positive means this is a minimum. Double derivative is greater than 0 means minimum. So add x equal to 2. See. You have double dash equal to 6 into 2x minus 1 na double dash. X is what? 2 you put. Minus 1. Of course it will give positive ID. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 6s are 18. 18 means it is greater than 0, dear students, which is a positive. That means f is minimum at x equal to 2. So this is what I am saying. X equal to 2 is what? Minimum point, dear students. Double derivative, how to check your understanding. At x equal to minus 1, you see, f double dash is what? 6 into 2x. X value is how much? Minus 1. And this is minus 1. See here. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus 1. So this will give how much, you see? Minus 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 into 6 is minus 18, dear students. Minus 18 you will get. Clear? This is minus 18. Minus 18 means what? Which is double derivative is less than 0, dear students. Less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. Which is the negative I am saying. Therefore, you can say what? F is maximum. Double derivative 0 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ maximum ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ minimum ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Maximum at x equal to minus 1. That means one point is minimum, another point is maximum, dear students. So which option will matches here? That is the option matching with C, dear students. One maximum and one minimum, dear students. So C for the chocolate. Chocolate is our answer, dear students. So please copy this. We'll see the next question, dear students. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number f of 27. Minimum value of f of x is equal to modulus x plus 2 minus 1. So f of x given you right. F of x is equal to modulus x plus 2 minus 1, dear students. So everyone know, dear students, modulus x can't be negative. This is very clear. It can be a 0 but not negative. So that means first it is clear verily. Everyone understood. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. 0 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So then modulus of x plus 2 must be what? It should be greater than or equal to 0. And what is less than for this and this? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ, इसको और इसको क्या कम है? So that is the minus 1 is there here but it is not there here. So adding minus 1 both sides. X plus 2 minus 1 and 0 minus 1. I am adding both sides by minus 1. So what this is called as what? F of x. F of x, and this is what? 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So minimum value is what? Minus 1. And f of x is what? More than minus 1 only will get. Yes or no? So then what is our answer here? Minimum value is equal to minus 1. So our option is what? C. So C for cake. Cake is our answer, dear students. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Local maxima of f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. X is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. And x equal to what? So x value I have to find here, dear students. Easy it is. Let us write the function given. F of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. So now what is the derivative of this, dear students? Sin x derivative. F of x derivative is f dash of x. Sin x derivative is cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x, dear students. Sin x derivative is cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. So next step what we will do? F dash of x equal to 0 will make. What is f dash of x now? Cos x minus sin x equal to 0. So minus sin x you take that side. It will become plus sin x minus sin x. I am sending on RHS. it will become plus sin x. So here 1 is equal to sin x by cos x I can write. Will you agree everyone? Sir, how you have written? Yellow green के अंदर एक बरदरी. So cos x into 1 is what? Cos x cross multiply. Cos x into 1 is cos x is equal to sin x. Yes or no? Cos x into 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos x and this is equal to what? Sin x, no? So both are same only above and below here, dear student. This and this are both are same. So sin by cos means what? That is tan x is equal to 1, dear students. When tan will become 1, dear students? Tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is what? 1, dear students. So because our x should have to lie between what? 0 to 90, dear students. It may give a different answer also, different angles also may give 1. But I am not saying speaking about different angles, because that angle should have to lie between what? 0 to 90, dear students. That is the main important. ನಮ್ದು angle ಏನಿರಬೇಕು 0 ದಿಂದ 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬೇರೆದು ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು 90 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. So that's why by keeping in that mind we are keeping it answer as what? Tan pi by 4 is 1. So tan get cancelled, so you will get as answer as x is equal to pi by 4, dear students. So our answer is x value is how much? That is pi by 4. Our answer will become B for bingo, dear students. So if you are understanding this video, so liking this video means please like and subscribe my channel. So each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you will support and help me. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ, dear students. So please copy this. Thank you.